old machine. We put new tracks on it. Very, very nice. It's got a KUBOTA tooth bucket on it with side cutters, high flow with electric and with and case drain. Guys, that's original paint, everything. I just got it in. I bought 3 of them. A corporation had them. Very, very nice. All original. Supposedly the same operator and all. The whole time. Very, very nice. It's 100% original. Paint-wise, they may put a decal on it. We put new Z-bar tracks on it. Got some clouds. This machine is nice. True. It is. Hydraulic disconnect. It's got the tooth bucket with side cutters. It's got your air conditioning, heat, radio. Look how clean and straight everything is. Speak of. Guys, I tell you, I've got some almost new machines and new machines on the yard, but this is right up there with them. $2,236 hours. I've got the sister to it also. We sold one, I think. Hydraulic disconnect. There's the radio, air conditioning. And you can see right here, see all the lights all go out. 2236. Guys, I'm very proud of this one.